Hello everyone, welcome to my session. This is Rajeshwar Reddy. In this session, we are going to see few problems of exercise 5.3 of the chapter comparing quantities using proportion. In the previous sessions, we discussed about the discount and the percentages and compound ratio. So in this, let us see once what is the problem. So a owner increases the rent of his house by 5% at the end of each year, means and every year he is increasing the rent. So what is the percentage of increase? 5%. So that if currently rent is per month, it is how much? 2,500. So what is the rent present? 2,500 per month. So every year, end of the year, how much percentage it is increasing? 5%. So here you have to observe increase. So the word you remember, increase. Then how much will be the rent after 2 years? So if you are going through the procedure, it takes a lot of time. Okay, and it is little difficult. So what is the simple way? How to solve it in a simple way? Let us observe. So first let us observe what is the present year rent per month. So the solution, let us start that present year rent per month. So it is rupees 2,500. So what is the percentage? It is increasing per every month. So how much percentage is increases? Okay, increase percent at end of year. So what is the percentage is increasing? For example, this is 2020. Again 2021, how much percentage will be increased? 2,500 plus 5% will be added. So like this, every year 5% will be added to the previous year rent. So what is the after 2 years? Means this is 2020. So 21, 22. So after 22, what will be the rent per month? Okay. So let us see the simple way. What is saying here? Present year. So what is the present year? Here we have to observe one is increasing. So the word is increasing. Increasing percent means what? Already we know about percent means 100. Now increase means 100 plus 5. So 5% increase. So 100 plus. When it is mentioned as increase, the word increase, gain. So we have to use 100 plus. When it says that decrease or less. Okay, so there we have to use 100 minus. So I hope you understand now. After how many years he is asking? After 2 years. So after 2 years. So how to write it? So present let us write. Okay, so the present into 1 year after, or else after 1 year into after 2 years. Here and every year we know very well percentage is 5% increasing. So present is how much? 2,500 into. So after 1 year, what is the percentage will be increased? 5%. So 100 plus 5. So 100 plus 5 is equal to 105%, means I said already for every 100 into again in the second year also. So what happens again second year? 5% added. So that 105 by 100. Now let us find what is the value after 2 years the rent. Okay, see, a very simple. Let us do now here. 2 zeros can be eliminated or simplified. The next 25 ones are and 25 fours are. Okay, so 105 into 105 by 4. So 105 into 105. So in the previous sessions I was explained you the simple way of multiplications, so that you can say units place 5 and 5 and the bases are the same. So 5 plus 5 is 10, bases are same. So therefore 5 5s are is 25 and then next number is 11. So that 10 into 11 it's 110 by 4. So you can watch my previous videos how to multiply the 2-digit multiplication, then you understand. Here 11,025 by 4. So if we divide it, we will get the answer. Right, let us divide 11,025 by 4. So that 4 2s are, it's 8, 11 minus 8, so it is equal to 3, so that's 0, and 4 table nearest to the 30 value, so 4 sevens are, it's 28, and 30 minus 28 is 2, so the next number it's 2, so 4 fives are, it's 20, and 2, the last one is 5, so 4 6 are 24, so 1, and we can take the decimal point and is as 0, so 4 twos are 8. So that 2 and 4 fives are 20. So what is the rent after 2 years? So 2756.25 rupees is the after 2 years. I hope you understand in a simple way. That is what 5% increase. So we have written 105. If 10% means 110. If 20% means 120. In case if it is decreased, so you just take 100 minus 5, so that 95. If it is 10% decreased, so 100 minus 10, so that is equal to 90. So in this way we can able to solve for many years also. Okay, this is what the simple way which I want shown you. See, one more problem. The printed price of a book is rupees 150 and they are giving 15% discount. So what is the cost of the book? It is 150 rupees, and what is the percentage they are discount? They are giving the discount is 15%. Then what is the actual amount to be paid? So we know very well, and many when you are doing the shopping or somewhere you can see that discounts, they will be gives the discount. So what is the discount? How to find the discount, isn't it? So the same way, let us find what is the discount and what is the amount to be paid. Okay, after, so nothing but we have to find the selling price. So finally this is an MRP. So MRP is how much? It is 150, and what is the percent they are giving the discount? 15%. So after subtracting that 15%, then we can say what is the actual amount to be paid. So here the task is finding the discount is important. So what is the discount? The percentage is how much? 15%, means nothing but discount means what? Less. What is that? Discount means what? Less. So we have to find what is the 15% in 150 rupees. So in the previous sessions we have written the formula. So same way we can able to write it. So now X% in Y. So that what we have then? X into Y by 100. So just you have to remember this formula, X% in Y, so that X into Y by 100. So now as the same way, what is the percent here? 15%. So 15% in which value? In 150 rupees. So the same way, let us consider what is X, what is Y. According to that, you just write as X, it is a 15 into and 150 by 100. So 10 and 10 can be eliminated. Now 15 into 15, we know very well, it's 225 by 10. So we can say, we can put the simply digit. So 0, so it can be digit after one digit, point. So that what is amount? 22 rupees, nothing but 50 paise. So what is the value? 15%. But what is the actual amount to be paid? So actually what is the cost here? 150. So from 150, how much we have to reduce? 22.50. Therefore, selling price is equal to MRP minus discount. So here selling price. So what is the selling price? Yes. So 150 MRP minus 22.50 paise we have to subtract. So that 150 minus 22.50 nothing but. So answer is 122.50 paise. Therefore 122 rupees 50 paise. So in this way we can able to find that here discount. So we have reduced. If we have increased the percentage, so same value should be added. So in this way we can able to find in a simple manner. See one more problem. Here a shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs. Okay, 200 bulbs. Right. See here, a shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. So how many bulbs are there? 200 bulbs. So what is the cost of each bulb? Rupees 10. Now what happens here? However, 5 bulbs were fused, means which are damaged or which are not used. Okay, so the 5 bulbs are here damaged, so that they put into the scrap. Right. Now the remaining bulbs, okay, he sold at rupees 12 each. So how many bulbs he purchased? Starting 200 bulbs. So what is the cost of each bulb here? 10 rupees. And in that, how many bulbs were not used or nothing but they were put into the scrap? Around 5 bulbs. So the remaining, how many bulbs are there? 195. So each bulb, what is the cost? He was sold it now 12 rupees. So find whether he got profit or loss and their percentage. First, let us start the solution. So how many bulbs he purchased? So total number of bulbs. Total number of bulbs purchased. So how many he purchased? 200 bulbs. And now what is the cost of each bulb? Here, cost of each bulb. So rupees 10. So one bulb cost is 10 rupees. So let us find 200 bulbs. So what is the amount he spent on the bulbs? So that cost of 200 bulbs. So that 200 into each one 10 rupees. So that 2000. So what is the amount he spent on the bulbs? 2000 rupees. Now each bulb he sold now. Okay, which is 2000 rupees is the amount which has spent by the shopkeeper, and now he sold each bulb rupees 12. So first let us find how many bulbs he won't sold that two. Okay, first let us find how many bulbs are used. Okay, so 5 bulbs are put into the scrap. So the remaining bulbs here, 5 bulbs are put into scrap. Means out of 200, 5 bulbs are damaged. So that the remaining bulbs. So remaining bulbs are how many? 200 minus 5, it is equal to 195 bulbs. So what is the cost he was sold it now each one? So sold each bulb at rupees 12. Then what is the cost of 195 bulbs? So cost of 195 bulbs, there is equal to 195 into 12. So that if you multiply that 195 into 12, so 12 fives are, it is 60, and 12 nines are 108 plus 6, so 114. 12 ones are 12 plus 11, so 12 plus 11 it is 23. Therefore 2340 means here the amount spent by the shopkeeper is 2000 and amount he got back 2340. So just let you observe both the prices. So we can able to say the selling price is more than the cost price. So that he got profit or loss? Profit. So what is the gain amount? So the gain is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 2340 minus 2000. Therefore 340 rupees he gained extra. So what is the percentage of 340 in 2000 rupees? Let us find the percentage. Here we know that percentage of x, we are finding the percentage. So in y, not the value. Here we are finding percentage. So which percentage? 340. Percentage of 340 in what is the basic value? 2000. Therefore 340 by 2000 into 100. So what is the percentage? See here, two zeros can be simplified, and 10 can be simplified. Here 2 and 34. So 34 by 2 is nothing but 17. So 70%. So what is the gain percentage here? Gain percentage is equal to 17. So this is the way we can able to simplify in simple method the problem. We have to understand first and what is given, what is asking. So these two things if you know, then easy to find the problems. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends.